Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my 2 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is the Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch by Amazon, only $39.99. You get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. In this course, I teach you a lot of good stuff about how to cross niche, scale your designs, niche down. I teach you how to keep your account safe, how to check for trademarks, how to find trending niches, how to find evergreen niches, how to design styles, where to find designs, and even how to hire designers. This course is good for beginners or for people who are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I also have one for Redbubble as well, step-by-step guide for mastering Redbubble. Only $39.99. You get 20 lessons in this course, and it's also over an hour of content. Also good for people that are struggling to get sales on Redbubble or for beginners on Redbubble. If we look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller and I've done over 11,000 sales and I've made over $37,000 on the Merch by Amazon platform. And if we go to my Redbubble dashboard, we're going to see that over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,100 with my best month being in June where I did $317. So if you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today is Galentines Day. It's a sub niche in the Valentine's niche. And what Galentines Day is basically it's a holiday that's celebrated one day before Valentine's Day, so on February 13th. And it's basically for women, whether you're single or not, just to get together with their other girlfriends basically and just kind of get together and hang out with the gals. So that's kind of where it comes from. If you do a Google search on it, right here, you're going to see what day is Galentine's Day. It's on February 13th. And it's basically, it's only the best day of the year. Every February 13th, my lady friends and I leave our husbands and our boyfriends at home, and we just come and kick it, ladies celebrating ladies. So basically, it's the greatest fake holiday ever. So that's where the holiday comes from. If we go back to Merch by Amazon or to Amazon, we're going to see that there's only 349 results for this niche, so very low competition. And we're going to see that they have some pretty good BSRs. If we look at this one right here that's in red, we're going to see that it was just uploaded January 7th, 2022, so just a few weeks ago, and it already has a 631 BSR. So pretty easy, I should say, pretty easy to design for. It's basically just some text and some hearts. Now, there's a couple ways you can design for this. So there's a couple phrases like Galentine's Day Squad, Galentine's Gang, Galentine's Crew. So you can kind of switch up the words a little bit. You could just do the normal like Happy Galentine's Day. So those are a couple ways that you can design for it. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, we type in Galentine's Day, we hit enter. We're going to see that nothing that is live is registered. In my course, I actually teach you how to read this stuff so you can understand if something's safe or not. But the only thing that pops up that is live and has a registered number is the Galentine's Day Gala, which does not match what our phrase is. And all the other ones that do say Galentine's Day are all dead. So this niche is safe to get into. It's not trademarked. And if we look at the competition on the other print-on-demand platforms, I'd see a little more competition than what I usually see, so 8,000 results, but a lot of them are basically for Valentine's Day. So you get a little mix of both, like Galentine's Day right here, and just regular Valentine's Day shirts as well. If we go to Redbubble, actually, I didn't find this niche on Redbubble like the last 2 videos I've done, but when I typed it in, I saw that it was trending. See how it has the arrow right there? A little more competition, 10,000 results. So, that's pretty high competition in my opinion for Redbubble. But if we go to Tpublic, we are going to see that there's low competition on this website as well. As I always say, do not sleep on Tpublic, one of my favorite websites to sell on. Pretty easy to get sales on there. Royalties aren't the best, but basically just some good free gas money. And let's see, you can go to Creative Fabrica right here and you can just type in Galentine's Day and it's going to have designs that you can just basically download and then upload onto Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. Like this one right here, for example. Now, I do have an affiliate link in my description, so if you're lazy like me, you don't want to basically design or hire a designer or waste time and money basically designing, you can just come right here and get some pretty good designs. Like these ones look pretty good. This one's pretty good too. And then you can just do it that way. There's an affiliate link in the description. If you make the purchase there, I do get a little kickback, so I appreciate that. And that's basically going to be it for today. That's the niche. So, if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing. I put out videos on pretty much a daily or on a regular basis showing you popular design trends, things that are trending, design ideas. If you go to my YouTube channel right here, I got some other ideas. So if you're looking for more design ideas, you can check out these other videos. This one right here is a good one. Actually, I already got a sale the other day with this one right here, already selling, and also on the spring break. So I also design and upload the type of niches that I recommend to you guys as well. I don't just don't make the videos. I also publish designs as well. And I got 2 sales in these both niches right here. So take a look at those if you're looking for more design ideas. And remember, if you're struggling to get sales on merch or Redbubble, or you're just a beginner and you're looking for guidance, you might want to consider taking a look at these courses. It's going to be a good start for you to kind of understand how merch by Amazon, Redbubble, just print on demand in general work, and hopefully get you some sales. All right, so that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.